If your organization is now developing solutions that require several teams to work fully aligned and coordinated, then I'm sure the context of this video will be of your interest. There are several different frameworks in the market that can help you scaling Agile. Discipline Agile, Less, Scrum at Scale, etc. However, my personal preference goes to the Scale Agile framework, SAFe. As such, it's in the context of this framework that I will describe the next set of items. Let's take a look at them. The first type of item is the PI objective. PI objectives are generated initially at the team level in the context of a PI planning. They reflect, in business language, what the team aims to achieve in the next program increment. In other words, they can connect to the features and enablers that represent them. This can be done using the linking mechanism. However, and according to SAFe, this is not imperative, since some PI objectives may be focused on more generic milestones. After analyzing and consolidating each team PI objectives, a release-trained engineer can also generate at the program level the corresponding PI objectives. In such case, you can also connect those objectives to the team's PI objectives using the linking mechanism. This will make it clear how the program PI objectives are generated. Just like described in this SAFe framework, an Epoch is a container for a solution development initiative large enough to require analysis, the definition of a minimum valuable product, and financial approval before implementation. The epochs can occur at the level of the portfolio, large solution, or program, depending precisely on their scope. In this model, each of these represents a new type of item in Jira. Also, they incorporate the concept of business or enabler, depending on their specific focus. Enablers bring visibility to all the work necessary to support efficient development and delivery of future business requirements. Business brings visibility to all work required to deliver the business requirements per se. This difference will be included as a specific attribute given to each of the three types of items identified. Capabilities exhibit the same characteristics and practices as the features we described in the requirements items video. This means they should also be classified as either business or enablers, depending on the focus of the work to be developed. Tool-wise, this means that the capability type of item will have a specific attribute to classify the capability either as a business or enabler type. As described in the SAFe requirements model, the capabilities must be split in the corresponding business feature or enabler so that they can be implemented by the relevant arts. As we saw in the requirements items video, the business and enabler features are implemented with the type of item Epoch, with the help of a specific attribute. The traceability is ensured by the usage of the linking mechanisms available in Jira. So, in a nutshell, when accessing Jira to create an item, the following list should be available. We have the team backlog items, the project management items, the requirements items, and the scaled items. So, to get these types of items configured in your Jira instance, make sure you request your Jira administrator's help. With this video, we conclude the introduction of the types of items that we recommend to use in your Agile project initiatives. In the next video, I will talk about the most important fields that are part of each of these types of items.